Hello friends and welcome back to my another new video, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make a Travelmastic electric lighter easily at home. So if you haven't checked out our old videos, please do check out. And in today's video I am going to give shout outs to two people. Yes, two people. So please watch till the end. So let's start without wasting your precious time. So the materials required for this project are a matchstick, a battery holder, a 9-volt powerful battery, a 9-volt DC motor, an on-off switch, and 3 bottle caps. So first of all, what do we need to do is we just have to take the battery holder and the battery. So now we just have to insert the battery holder into the battery. So now we have to take a bottle cap and now we have to make a hole in it. So as you can see, I have made a hole in it using a compass, and now you just have to take your DC motor and insert this thing inside the hole. So as you can see, I have basically inserted the shaft inside the hole, and it will look something like this. So now you can apply hot glue gun and secure it. So let me secure it and then show it to you. So now you can see I've secured it with the hot glue gun and it will look like this. So believe me, it is a very easy project and you'll enjoy this file making like I am doing. So please, if you haven't just subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. As you can see, now we have to take this matchstick box and let's keep the matchstick aside because we will use it later on. So now you just have to cut these two strips. So let me cut it and then show it to you. So friends, as you can see, I have cut these two strips out of the matchbox. So now what do we have to do is just take this, and we just have to paste this two like this. So let me paste it and then show it to you. So as you can see, I have fixed it and it looks something like this. So now what we have to do is just take the battery and paste it like this. So let me paste and then show it to you. So friends, as you can see, I have pasted this motor and it will look something like this. So now we just have to cut the wires of this motor, and now we have to do the connections. So I will give you the circuit diagram also if you will ask in the comment sections. So here's the switch, and now what do we have to do is just keep the wires aside, and now we just have to paste the switch. So let me paste it and then show it to you. So as you can see, I have pasted it and it will look something like this. You can see here. So now what we have to do is we have to do the connections. So let me tell you how to do it. So see, the motor has two wires, the switch has one wire I have connected, and the battery has two wires. Basically the switch has also two wires. So we just have to connect one wire of the motor in this. See, let me explain you. We just have to connect one wire of the motor in this switch like this, and one wire of this switch will be connected to the battery, and the other one of the motor will also be connected to the battery. So let me do the circuits and again I will show you. So friends, as you can see, we have done the simple connections, and now we will make it attractive. So let me tell you how the connections are done. So one wire of the motor is connected to the any pole of the switch, and the another pole is connected to the battery, and the another wire of the motor is connected to the battery. So see, if we switch it on, it will look something like this. See, so now let me decorate it with a tape, and let me make it more safe. So as you can see, I have basically pasted all the wires and secured it with a black tape, electrical tape. So now it will look something like this, and see, it's working properly. So now what do we have to do is just take these two caps, and now we just have to paste it the both, and on the top we will keep this thing. So basically it will look like this, you can see. So now let me do the whole thing. So as you can see, I've pasted it, and now we just have to glue it at the bottom, so it will look something like this. So let me paste and then show it to you. So as you can see, I have made this, and it looks very beautiful. So you can see how it looks, and we can just hold it like this in the hand, and it's very easy to make. So it basically only took me 5 to 7 minutes to make it, and it's very pretty. And now I will be using it in my further projects, and for household work also. So let me show you how it basically works. So turn it on. See, I have mastic in my hand, and we will light this mastic using this. So see, you can see. Let me show you another also. So see, I have two mastics here. So you can see, let me show you again. You can see how it works, and it's very easy to make. So today's shout out goes to two people. One is my sister. Please follow her on Instagram if you like this project, and please subscribe to Freaking Gamer channel. You can see right here. So please subscribe if you haven't, and check out our further videos. So till then, goodbye, take care.